In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the pan transition on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the second of the two slides you want to input this transition in between, and then select the Transitions tab up at the top. Where it says Transition to the slide, click the little drop-down arrow right here, and you want to go underneath where it says dynamic content, select pan. And if you want to select effect options over here on the right, you can select what direction you want the text to move from. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.